What's hot in the Kitsilano single-family market for September 2018? The Vancouver West Side single-family market has been favoring buyers for a while now. But Kitsilano is the one exception to that rule. Kitsilano is the only neighborhood in the Vancouver West Side detached single-family market that's actually favoring sellers. 11 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $1.7 million. Would have bought you a very small home on a small lot right at 7th Avenue in Balaclava. The most expensive home sold for $3.7 million, almost $3.8 million. And that would have bought you a home on a 50-foot wide lot right at Balsam and 14th Avenue. So $3.8 million for a 50-foot wide lot. Newer home also, only 18 years old. Market is definitely changing. I remember not too long ago where that would have bought you only a home on a 33-foot wide lot. So now you can get a 50-foot wide lot on a relatively new home, an 18-year-old home, for $3.8 million. 35 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano, so to have 11 of them sell puts us in a pretty strong seller's market. That's actually 31% of the homes that are selling, with 11 out of 35 of them sold. And the real estate board defines a seller's market as anything over 21% of the homes that are selling. So Kitsilano is doing quite well at 31% of the homes. Sold values in Kitsilano are pretty close to the median price for the rest of the Vancouver West Side. The median price right now for a detached home in Kitsilano is $2.65 million, whereas when you look at the West Side as a whole, the median price is $2.9 million. So we're about $250,000 off of the median price of lower than the median price in the rest of the West Side right now. If you'd like to take a look at these 11 homes that sold in Kitsilano last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map with the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 11 homes that sold. And you can download that information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Seton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to contact me, you can reach me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.